Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Jhummy's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I make my special designer ayamase sauce, also known as ofada sauce. This sauce, you can use it to eat various things, and it is common amazed Nigerians. It's a very popular dish in Nigeria, so stay tuned as I show you how I make my designer soup. For ofada sauce, it is usually taken with ofadarice, but you can also try it with other types of rice. You can also try it with pasta. I bet it tastes so well. You should give it a try today. The list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Do well to check it out. Yeah, you have assorted meat. Ofada rice, ofada sauce goes with a lot of assorted meat, palm oil. In fact, just check out the description box and you get the ingredients there. The first thing I'll be doing is to prep my green bell peppers. I'm preparing it to be blended or be grated. Make sure that when you're blending, you don't blend it smoothly. You just blend it roughly. If you're using a food processor, you don't need to add water. If you're using a blender, you need to add a little bit of water and you're good. So the first thing I'll be doing is boiling my assorted meats. It's boiling furiously. Boil it, make sure it is soft properly and set it aside. The next thing I'll be doing is bleaching my palm oil. So guys, at this point you have to be really careful. Usually what I do is I'll pour in my palm oil, leave it on medium heat, cover it for 7 to 8 minutes, and then take it outside for the smoke and everything to be out in the air. But because of this video, I'm not showing you that. So now my palm oil has cooled, my bleached palm oil is cool. I'll be frying the assorted meats. There's something about fried assorted meats in ofada sauce. It gives it this very African local taste. You should try it. So now I'm frying it properly. I'm setting it aside, and the next thing I'm doing is putting my onions, fry slightly for 1 minute. Then I'll be adding the chief of the ingredient, which is locust beans. Locust beans just add this very nice flavor to the dish. It makes it so flavorful. Then my crayfish. Just watch out the way I'm adding my crayfish. I'm adding it bit by bit in this recipe because it gives it this very nice taste. So now when you have this, you can then add your grated green bell peppers. Pour it in, all of it. Make sure it doesn't have any water. You can as well just drain it in a sieve or something, then just pour it into the palm oil. Stir properly. At this point I've reduced the heat to the barest. Now I'm adding the second batch of the crayfish. Just stir. By the time it starts cooking, you see the palm oil will start rising up. I'm adding the meat stock at this point, and I'm stirring, giving it a good stir. I'm adding my seasoning cube and salt to taste. You don't want to over salt your food, so I'm adding salt at this point. And keep stirring until you are okay. Don't just stop stirring, if not it get burnt. And when your ofada sauce get burnt, it gives you this bitter taste, and you don't want that. Please just make sure you're stirring. Now I've added the assorted meats and another batch of crayfish. Stir properly, stir till you're fine. Now I'm introducing the boiled eggs. What is ofada without boiled eggs? Especially when the boiled eggs has been left in the ofada for a long while. It gives it this very nice flavor. So make sure you stir your ofada, and it is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, share and like. Bye.